Hi there, I'm Diane Rolston. I'm a certified professional coach, speaker, and workshop leader. Now, today I want to share with you a little bit about how I aim to make a difference in the world of networking. Now, it started off that way in January or on January 21st, 2013, when I founded a group called Dynamic Women in Action. And about a month later, 24 amazing women came together to meet, to mingle, and my vision came into play for the very first time. Every month since then, we've met on the North Shore in North Vancouver, BC. And in just 5 months, I realized that we needed to grow, we need to expand. So we ended up going into Port Coquitlam and started a new group there at Kinder Cafe. And, we've had 22 events since February. And in 9 months, we've grown a lot to have 80 active members, 150 members in total on our site. We have 5 more scheduled events. So by the end of 2013, we're going to have around 28 events. So that's amazing for an inaugural year of a group. And most of the meetings have between 20 and 35 women. So that's really big, and lots of growth has come from it. And it's because it wasn't just about making a difference in networking. It was making a difference in the lives of women and in the relationships, the personal and business relationships that they have with other women. So I have ended up, there's 30 reviews on there. And every time I go on and I see what these women are writing, it nourishes me to know that these women are taking their time to comment and to let me know how what I'm doing is making them feel and changing their lives. So I wanted to share a few of those with you today, if that would be okay. So I'm going to go through and I'll even let you know who said them, because there's some amazing, amazing women. So I've got one here from Tammy Paris saying, "Awesome, I felt the love. Sometimes there are no words when something's so good." That's kind of a juicy one. Next one from Nicole Baraka. "What a brilliant evening. Love the tools I walked away with and starting to implement them today. Thank you, Diane, and to all the amazing dynamic women who attended." So maybe you're wondering now, what happens at one of these evenings? Well, as a workshop leader and a coach, I love facilitating activities. So what you're going to do is I have a theme, and you really get to mingle with other women. You get to, ditch your pitch and stop having to sell or be sold to. So it's about creating those deeper relationships, and we do that in triads with 2 people, dyads with 2 people, triads with 3 people, or sometimes in masterminds of 5 people. And you get to really know each other and get supported and get ideas or brainstorming to learn more about yourself and your business style. Okay, let's get back to more of these. Tiffany says, "What a fantastic introduction to Meetup. This was my first event, and I thoroughly enjoyed meeting some great women. Diane is an inspiring woman." I feel really acknowledged when I hear those kind of things. Here's from Connie Thurston. "I went to the first meeting at the POCO location, loved the positive energy of the group and Diane's strong leadership in facilitating the meeting." Thanks, Connie. I love doing it. So much fun. So Marilyn says, "It is dynamic, and I felt blessed to be part of this group." And really, I feel kind of a mutual feeling to be able to lead this amazing group of women. Droop D. Glonkowski says, "I love that the group is evolving and growing." Yeah, true, we're growing. "And I learned something new each time, and I walked away with tons more energy." And that's the thing. Sometimes you just don't feel like coming. You feel tired, or you've had a bad day, but it's all about not having to be on or be all put together. Just come as you are. Be authentic, be real. And what you'll find is a lot of the things that you're going through, these women are going through as well. Okay, got one last one for you from Tazim Jamal. And this was just from October 24th, just our last meeting. "An amazing group of diverse women from all walks of life. So much to learn, to be inspired and grow from. Not to mention the fun we had. Laughter and tears, joy, and a real sense of belonging." So I'd like to think that, these women are showing that Dynamic Women in Action and the group I have started has really made a difference in their lives, business and personal. And to know that really nourishes me and helps to support me in continuing to move forward, to create these type of places for women to come together, to build relationships, to grow their businesses, and to make a difference in the world. So I hope I can bring you another video soon and give you some more tips or tricks for your business and your life. So I'm signing off for now. Take care. Have a great day.